working on the handle portion of the knife. Drawing it out.
Yep.
Good job. Try to stay over the waist. Right in the middle of the waist, right here. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yes. You're going to get better rebound there, okay?
Feel it different?
You're getting less energy directed back up at your hammer. Okay. Let's twist this anvil around.
Yep.
And we just twisted that knife there. A lot going on, folks. Busy time. Hey Ward, how you doing? How you doing, Ron?
You can still work the hand if you want. You don't have to use the full drill arm. You have to call it. Twisting it?
Yeah, we're going to straighten her out a little bit.
Look at that. The hand. See it.
Just tap it and straighten it. Pull it back towards you. Okay, turn it 90 degrees. Work all your way up and down it. Up and down it. Yep. Okay, now this time when you put it back in there, you're good. When you put it back in there, push it all the way against the back wall of that forge. All the way. Yep, touch it. Now we're going to get that whole shaft hot. We're not pulling it out until it is, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to walk over to that vise over there. We've got to coordinate it with these guys so we don't... But can you turn that anvil again? I gotta have to bolt that down or something. I don't like the way that thing's walking. Hey Randy. Hey Randy, can we get that other vise over here? I know it's heavy as hell. If you want a hand, I can give you. Be bringing a vise down here, so we've got something we can use down here. You want a hand with it? Okay, watch out. He's coming through with a vise. It's heavy as can be. It's an old Colombian. Okay, that's good. All right, put her back in the fire. Now this is an old cast vise. It's called a Colombian. They're good vices, but they got a little bit of slop in them. Okay, but they work just fine. We're going to put the knife in there. We're going to get a pair of bending tongs and we're going to bend it. Okay, but we're going to wait for yours to get good and hot. Yeah, it's getting there. Okay, who's up hammering next? Just watch out for that thing. We can push it up. Can you push it over there by that ladder? If you wouldn't mind. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Careful backing up. There you go. Plenty hot enough for the twist. Let me go get bending. I need that bending for. Oh, you already did? Oh. And it should be about the right size. So we're going to clamp that into the vise. Let's clamp it with this end, the cold end, down. Okay, go ahead. Okay, you got to grab it by the other end. There you go.
Grab it.
Go quickly because you're losing heat. There you go. Grab by the hole. That's pretty good. Put her right head down or nail down.
You hit the exact same every time. Not practice.
Go down a little further. Yeah, a little further. Oh. Okay. Grab right up by the head. Yep. Now twist. Go ahead. Twist hard. Tighten her up a little bit. Okay, go ahead. And I would keep going. I'd stop right about there. Keep going a little bit further. Right there.
Watch behind you, Nick.
So that's the twist he just did. Looks pretty cool. Go ahead. Loosen her up. And now you're putting it knife end in. Okay. Good job. So that's the twist he just did right there. Everybody can see. All three of you are going to do the same thing when you get her drawn out. Stuff falls, don't care. Let it. Don't ever try to grab anything hot or sharp.
Excuse me, Greg.
And that is a wisdom born of experience, trust me. What are you looking for? Good job. What are you looking for?
My cable Damascus?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's hit that on the butt. There you go. Yeah, towards him.
Just flat.
Flat.
Strike.
Roll.
All right, that's probably cold enough. Vice is trying to kill you. Okay, who all here is a Grosskreutz? Are you? Okay. I had a staff sergeant in the Marine Corps, Staff Sergeant Grosskreutz. I can't remember his first name, but it would have been in the early 1980s in the Marine Corps, 80 to 84. And I've never heard the name. Yeah, I would imagine you're related somehow because I've never heard of Grosskreutz since then.
The far side of the anvil, at a 45-degree angle.
Plenty hot, that's for darn sure.
Can you handle that hammer? Can you handle that hammer?
He's swinging.
That's a man maker there.
That's a 3.25 pounds. Swing that little baby.
Clear your arm out. I can choke up on it.
For what? I hardly ever swing back here. Always in the middle.
Okay, you're plenty narrow. You need to work out more this way.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, up here.
Yeah, up there. Yeah.
Okay.
If we get that done, you'll be stretched out enough to fit your hand. Hit that hammerhead on the butt. Other way. Yeah. Okay, it's down.
What is liner in there?
Aluminum, oxide, fragment.
Yeah, move up and down it as you're striking. Move towards the middle. Yeah. Now move towards the near side. Yep, right there. Move up and down. We want this even. Okay? You're getting there. You're almost to the size you need.
Too cold.
It's a little too cold. Go ahead and put it back in. Perfect. Now he's taking the blade. hammer and set that. Put it back on. I'm going to get a screw and put it in there.
There you go. Get a little more? A little bit.
Just watch your hammerhead, okay? Would you mind filming for just a little while?
Absolutely.
Pointing at something interesting.
You need a couple more holes?
Too cold.
Yeah. Okay, so don't knock that back on just yet, okay? We're going to switch the hand.
Okay.
Okay, who's up next? You got follow that mark right there. You're turning your hammer like that. You want to get straight up and down. Okay.
Getting tired?
Okay, let me see yours real quick. I'm going to use that vise. You see a hammer? Yeah, these are getting really hot. Put them in the water for a little bit and they'll cool right down, okay? Okay, let me grab that from you. And I'll go back to commencing the video. Sorry, folks.
It's unusual that anybody know how to say gross grates.
Grosskreutz? Yeah. I worked with that guy for 2.5 years. Used to play cards with him, and he loved to drink. I mean, this guy was.
That's hereditary.
Yeah. That's hereditary, yeah.
Yeah, he
That's a
and
genetic defect.
yeah. Him and I would literally stay up all night playing cards, and he hated to lose. So he would never quit, even when he was losing. He'd never quit.
Yeah, that's
More and more like you all the
That's-
other
that's-
genetics.
So I told him, I said, look, we're quitting at 5 in the morning. I don't care who's up, who's winning, whatever. We're quitting at 5. And I just, oh, sorry. I ended up cleaning him out one night because he just wouldn't quit.
Grab me up here and
All right, you're going to give me some guidance. Y'all want to clean this thing out more?
Where's that small hammer?
What do you recommend needs done at this point?
This little section right here needs to be drawn out. Okay.
I need to mark this on my plate edge valve.
yeah.
Okay, turn it. be able to twist.
What you do is come along the edge.
And that chunk you're holding is going to be your blade.
Down and thin out and drive it in.
Okay, and you need to heat it back up. Make sure when you put it in, you push it all the way against that back wall. We had dreams of being able to put three anvils in here and vices and everything else. I'm going to move this whole table back and just make a whole lot more room, and maybe we'll work off one end, and then maybe the middle. If we're going to run 2 or 3 forges at a time.
What that does is that pushes the material from the edge to the spine.
Okay.
Getting the spine and making it stronger. Some people call it edge packing. Edge packing does shit for steel. If it were wrought iron, you'd have to do it cold. Wrought iron is like no carbon at all. And it's blacksmith gold, literally blacksmith gold.
Didn't know that. No carbon on iron.
None. This is wrought iron. When it breaks, it's hard. It kind of looks like a wood grain. Cast.
And you're about ready to twist too.
Not like cast.
Yeah, in fact, I would push that all the way against the back wall, put it near the flame, and we're going to get that as hot as we can before we twist, okay?
It's done in a blue ring, and they consolidate it with
And you're working on your blade.
silicon sand, and it'll get into the pores and in between the thread structure as it consolidated.
That's going to be a nice knife when you get that baby done.
At all, none. Because the silicon.
Yep, right in the sweet spot.
It will work on its own. How are you looking? Getting there.
Okay, now we're going to work that tip, get a point on that tip.
Yep.
So go ahead and throw it in the fire, and next heat I'll hit it and show you how I do that, okay? All right. Okay, folks, got something I got to do here in just a few minutes. Wanted to let you know, if you want to take one of these classes, go to our website, www.malonegreg.com, or give me a call at 315-744-0007. You can get a hold of me. Where's it at? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're switching the hammer handle over. Just get a hold of us. Give me a call. I'm in Des Moines, Iowa. If you're anywhere near or plan to be visiting, let me know. I'm looking for something. All right. Peace out.